notice Jesus Christ said, you will say unto this mountain, be thou removed. Abi? And he said, it will remove if you believe. And one day the Lord said to me that, do you know that Jesus didn't say you will pray? He said you will say. I said, okay. He said, no, there's a difference between praying and saying. Number one is the subject. You are praying to God, but you are saying to the situation. It can't be asking you to pray to the situation. That's why I say you will say to the mountain. Your saying is to the mountain. Your praying is to God. That's declaration, sir. He said, you will say unto this mountain, be thou removed. And he said, if you believe, it will be removed. How many times have you said to the situation? Rather, you will be crying. God is tired of your crying. Cry, cry, baby. 10 years after salvation, every small thing, you see a cockroach, you cry. You see something, you cry. He says, say. The things you say in my ears, so will I do unto you. Listen, don't question anybody if 5 years down the line, you remain the way you are. Because we are teaching you to say things with your life, into your destiny. But you say, no, I prefer to cry. Come on, say declaration. Now, many people, they want to move into that realm of the spirit to be able to pray some of those prayers. And it's true, there are certain realms, if you don't ascend into them, certain prayers may not be very easy to pray. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Because they need to be generated in the spirit. But you know the thing I found out? Declaration doesn't need a realm. You just stand. What's it? In the name of Jesus. You see, that's prayer now. Okay? But you could say something like, before next year is over, I'll call you for a celebration. You are creating your own world. We are co-creators, sir. That is how you move into your next season. Say, all these faith people have come. All these faithless people have also come. Choose your camp. Then that's how we'll be saying declaration, empty declaration. Not good. Stay in the camp of empty declaration. There are some of us, our declarations are not empty. Because every declaration is backed up by expectation. I expect that those things which I say, I will receive them. I'm not a religious man, sir. I'm a spiritual man. Let there be light. And there was light in the midst of darkness. It doesn't cost you much to say much.